What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you a epic video. And if you live in the States or you live anywhere overseas where you don't have wood fire or coal fire for roast your breadfruit on, and if you're living at a house like me, now the time cold or cold weather, you can't really go outside, so you go, all right, put breadfruit outside. But we don't normally can put breadfruit outside anyway, so I don't even know what me I talk about. But me just I go show you something one of it do on a breadfruit. You don't have to roast it on the stove or put it in the oven for it taste like roast breadfruit. Guys, so I go on Facebook the other day and I see one quick little video, maybe about, it was less than a minute, and I saw where the breadfruit was in a boiling water and them was peeling it, and then the video just cut. That's it. I don't see anything else with the video. So it was like maybe about a minute or less. So anyways, I said, let me try this recipe. So I went to the supermarket and I saw they have some nice breadfruit there. And so guys, I wash the breadfruit them from last night, right? But dig out the stem and put it for drain. Like me I go roast it. So Jamaican roast breadfruit. So right now me I get some water in the pot because me I go make it boiled. I not peel the breadfruit or anything, cut the breadfruit. I just go put the breadfruit down in the water when it a boil. So right now, the water, me put on the water and I go add some salt to it and just make it boil up. Salt after it boil up, then so I just gonna cover it up, make it boil. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now the water boil up, right? So it's time to add the breadfruit into it. So remember, I add the salt and I add water boiled. Drop it down in there. Can you imagine that? Yeah, man. Boil it like that. Yep. Yep. So it has simmer down here now. I'm going to cover it up and leave it there for boil. Guys, remember me telling you, I'm not going to see this. I'm going to just hold on. I don't want to miss this, the result of this. Okay? So, you will never want to roast your breadfruit again because make me see how this work. Alright, so you see it turn green now, skin a boil off and things. So yeah, this is an epic one. This is an epic video. Boy, me have to watch it, brother. This is a video yeah, just too much. Look on the water, it green. Alright, so see it there now? You see how the breadfruit color change? Boy, them a breadfruit they look like they still in the wash. And look how them are boiling in the water and they still look dirty. But anyways, them soon ready, guys. Alright, see them here now. That's it. Turn off the stove. 1 hour me boil them for. 1 full hour me boil them breadfruit here for. So I'm going to leave them, make them cool a little bit. And then come back and peel them. So, I will see you in a few. You see how they look like they're not even washed? They still look like they're not washed. Wow. Okay, guys. I'll see you now in a few. Okay? Okay, guys. It's time to peel them brechet. Okay? Typical Jamaica call it brechet. You know, country people. I don't know if the Kingstonian people them know say. I brechet this name. I brechet we call this. Alright, so watch me peel the breadfruit now. And I'm going to show you how inside it look. I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. Because I wait for you to see. wanna sit down there. And if you know that try this, because let me tell you something. One of the main reasons why I decide to try this recipe is because we roast breadfruit here on stove. I'm gonna drop it in the in here so how me do my breadfruit. And it smoke up the place, make the alarm go off. And I think I have a video with it as well. The alarm go off in the house and the security company have to come here and all them sitting police and etc. come here because they think of fire. So me now want deal with that. Although you can also put it in the oven, you know. You can also put it in the oven and see. Alright, inside it kind of feel a little hard, but as you look on the breadfruit, I think it did butter. My knife not sharp, guys. As you can see it look a little butter. So it have white in there, but a yellow heart breadfruit. See? If you can see the butter, you can see the butter in it. You can see how your finger sink in there, see? Yeah. So these are the bigger one. So and my knife not sharp, guys. So me I go down in there, it not sharp. Yeah. You put your finger in there. You can see the butter in there, you know. If you know about breadfruit, you know that breadfruit you get some broth. You know, if you're a breadfruit person, you know that breadfruit you get some broth. Alright, so me I peel a one here now. So me see how inside it look, if it look different. But guys, that recipe, yeah, I'm willing to try it again. Yeah, that one here more yellow, man. Whoa, pretty, man. Pretty bad. Me love the color. It's a real yellow heart from down at Westmoreland. Oh yeah, the breadfruit here down at Westmoreland it come from. You can see the difference with the two breadfruit. Look how this yellow. Whoa, a Westmoreland this a breadfruit here come from. Chat about. And that one here no butter. Look how pretty, man. Jesus, peace. No, sir, me would have eat it right now by itself. Guys, me say if something just look like you go roast the breadfruit pan wood fire out the door, you know. I saw the breadfruit look and feel, you know, the texture of it. Man, nice. The texture of it very nice. It just look like and feel like when you roast brush, you can't eat it like that, you know. But me I go fry it and you will see the outcome of it. It's have a little bit of butter, but nothing much to it. Me and tell the breadfruit just pretty so. So it's time to give you a view on it. So I move over the camera. You see it? You see the other one, how it look white? Comparing to that one, yeah? Butter, this butter, man. That one, like, most of it not good. Like, I'm so upset. Soft and nice, you see? Alright, guys, I'm going to put this in the fridge, and tomorrow morning, I'm going to deal with it. I'm going to fry it for breakfast tomorrow. And some fish. Alright. You see the breadfruit? Me say, my sister, let me tell you something, my sister. Me go to the store and buy 2 breadfruit. And decide say, me I go come boil them in the skin. And that is something you could have tried. So me boil them in the skin. Me say me I go do the video. We used to go out the door go. Cursing Island did that whenever gas stove. So there you have it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you don't already subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Adios, bye. So guys, this is how I normally roast my breadfruit. And I roast my sweet potato, eat it with my ackee and saltfish. So new way now.